Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to clear cache on Webnovel application. By clearing your cache on Webnovel application, it will help you to clean your data uses, fix any issues and improve the performance. To clear your cache data on Webnovel application, first open your settings on your mobile phone. Now note that the settings differ according to the mobile phone that you are using. I am using Android Redmi. Now here you need to navigate through your application information. For that, first look for app settings, then tap on apps. With this, now tap on manage apps. After this, here you need to look for Webnovel application, then tap on Webnovel. Then here you can see all the information regarding your Webnovel application. Now tap on clear data option. Then tap on clear cache option. With this, tap on OK so that your cache data will be cleared. This is how we can clear cache on Webnovel application. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.